So today, guys, we're well and truly on our way out and back up to Luxembourg to hopefully see a bit of the B500, hopefully.
It's a bit misty today. Not sure we're going to get to see much of the views up the top of the B500, but never mind.
So right, I'm going to feel out in front of me to see where we're going. It's fine. Yeah, we'll be going very slow through this and getting the world's best footage. Well, this is weird. Fog, not fog. Whatever it is.
You see it's clear over here, but you can't off see where it's going foggy again further up.
I'm about to sneeze.
Bless you.
Yeah, the further we get into the Black Forest, well, further we get up the Black Forest, the more the weather seems to be improving. You watch, we'll get back into work next week and it'll be glorious weather. Quite a nice way to cut across country, this, actually. You think, Jazz? Yep. Oh, I think we've got to go that way.
Other people seem to be coming this way.
Road's blocked.
Alright.
Idyllic little valley, isn't it? Don't worry, we're not going left. I don't mean a proper stop, but when I can find somewhere, would anyone like a quick arse break? Okay. Right, there's quite a few things coming, so we're going to have to wait.
Alright.
Oh, not that that's a problem. Oh. So we stopped and Jazz made the executive decision that we're putting our waterproofs on. I think it's a good call. We've got a long mileage to do today. My dad's inconspicuous. Yeah, it is starting to rain, but worst comes to the worst, we'll stop and take it off. But with a bit over 200 miles left to go today.
I got my lions all bunched up in my jacket. It's going to be quite eerie looking out over that today.
Don't think you'll get the usual view, will you? Things stopping up ahead, by the way. Yeah, well, sorry if I turned the wrong way.
Another Christmas tree under my pole.
Off and boffin. We've been to off and boffin. There's some stickers coming on.
Yeah, sticking next to the grabbing donks. There's actual bits of blue sky. Everywhere.
Because the beauty of a diversion is always that it's always on your longest days, and it's always on the day when you don't know an alternative way to go and you have to try and follow it.
Do we need to stop and press some buttons on the sat-navs and try and figure out what's going on?
By my albeit primitive calculations, we should be back on the right road when we come down here after having to bypass that town because of the roadworks. So given quite a lot of road closures, it looks like we might be bypassing the route we had planned and just getting to the hotel. Seems like they've decided to dig up everywhere in Germany today. Yeah, with this weather I'm really struggling to remember what time of year it is. then you compare it to when we were in Germany this time last year. Well, let's see if we can clog up a lane for half an hour, because we're wrong. Yeah. You pull up, it shoots one out. No, it just pushed it out when I came through. So after many peages, and we didn't want to film a shed load of motorway miles for you, so we've just stopped for a quick toilet break and a quick snack. We've got about 50 miles left to go now till we get to our hotel in Luxembourg.
Just stop to make sure that we've all got enough money for the peage that we think we might be going through.
Just been deciding to dig up every road on our route today, and diversions everywhere. We've got no choice but to abandon the route we had and just go straight to the hotel on the GPS. What's that? Because they've decided to dig up every road on the way.
Having very confusing weather. There's blue skies up there and it's raining, but then we've had like really hot weather and snow at the same time, so I don't know. I don't understand. So if they just closed that entire lane off just so that they can cut the grass. So it's been closed for miles for that. Right, let's see. So, English, insert your ticket. Here is my ticket. Right, okay. Right, so €5.20. Shove the note in there. Okay. Just shove that all in the tank bag. I think that's everything. Did it give you a receipt, Jay? Luxembourgians like Feestroms. Just went past that sign again.
These roads are nice and smooth, aren't they? What do you think?
Yep.
not bobbly like a lot of the others.
Motorbike on a stick.
Motorbike on a stick. We'll get there just after 7, so food won't be a problem.
That's good because I like food.
Right guys, 1 kilometre, turn right. Yeah, 2.7 kilometres. It's just turned 7 o'clock.
We're coming in from the other side this time.
I think we are. Might make it easier to park the bikes.
Might do. Might not.
Gotta get me one of these at home.